Change is hard. Being overwhelmed by your space is harder. Hi, I'm Shannon Belanger from Simply SOS Professional Organizers, and I'm here to help you declutter, streamline, and organize all aspects of your life. Thanks to our exciting new partnership with Goodwill, you can look forward to monthly tips and tricks to get your spaces in order from yours truly. As a mother of 2 young boys, a rescue pup, and a fish named Swimmy, I know firsthand what it feels like to be overwhelmed by stuff. Professional organizing is something that has always come naturally to me, and I love it. With a degree in psychology, over 20 years of people management experience, and as a member of Professional Organizers of Canada, my sole mission is to bring calm to your chaos. We ensure a judgment-free environment where both your mental state and emotional well-being are taken into consideration throughout our time together. Helping my clients understand why their space is dysfunctional and how to fix it is an honor and a privilege. Want to organize but unsure of what to do with all that unnecessary stuff? Donate unwanted items to Goodwill. By doing so, you're helping Albertans with disabilities secure purposeful training and find meaningful employment. An added bonus? Goodwill sustainability initiatives ensure every effort is made to divert unsellable items from landfill. Whether it's your basement or bedroom, closet or cupboards, your family room, or even your finances, we can help you get organized and stay that way. Until next time, I'm Shannon Belanger from Simply SOS. If you're consumed by clutter or suffocated by stuff, we're here to help.